This year, your tax return may look a little different than the past 3 years. Action News Now reporter Taylor Helms is live in our newsroom. Taylor, what kind of changes are there that people need to know before filing their taxes?
Other than more people filing their taxes electronically or online, the biggest changes are the tax credits. Those are reverting back to what they were pre-pandemic. Now there's tax credits for education, dependent children, and also dependents that live with you, as well as a new electric vehicle tax credit. There's been lots of changes the past 3 to 4 years for tax laws, but Mark Stieber, the Chief Tax Information Officer for Jackson Hewitt, says 2022 specifically was a big year for tax changes.
A lot of the credits reverted back to pre-pandemic amounts. The child tax credit went down. The dependent care credit went down. You're no longer allowed to take a charitable donation if you don't itemize. Earned-in credit for singles went down. There was no stimulus payment at the federal level in 2022, so you couldn't add that on. People were still moving for the pandemic, still doing side gigs. So there was a lot of change, even though you didn't hear about it, because a lot of it was not great change. It wasn't pro-taxpayer change.
Stieber says most tax advisors, including ones at Jackson Hewitt, will take a look at your tax paperwork for free to help make sure it's accurate. Then, if they catch a mistake, that's when you can decide if you want to pay for an advisor to help you file your taxes. Stieber says it's worth the investment, and they'll look back at the past 3 years' worth of tax paperwork, too. Nowadays, more than 90% of taxpayers file their taxes electronically, but before the pandemic, it was more around 40 to 50%. Reporting live, I'm Taylor Helms. Action News Now, coverage you can count on.
Useful information. Thanks, Taylor. Stieber said if you spend an hour a day getting your paperwork and your documents organized, that helps you save a lot of time and make sure everything is correct before filing your taxes. And it's never too early to start.